Okay, so this is a brief tutorial on how to fill out or fill in your evidence bag label. You need one evidence bag label for each piece of writing you choose as an artifact. So for the tutorial, I'm going to use Katie's paragraph about her rooster Tweety. And I'm going to show you how she filled out her evidence tag for that piece of writing. So many of the blanks already come filled in. The case number, which is the date, is already filled in. The type of offense, which is failure to write well, is already filled in. The victim, which is society, is already filled in. The suspect, that's your name, so you need to fill that in. And the description of evidence, which is the Tweety paragraph, you also need to fill in. Then there are 4 sections you're going to look at for evidence. The first section is about the focus of the piece. The second section is about the lead. The third section is about the information, the fan squid. And the fourth section is about the word choice or using Vita. So you're going to try to look in your chosen artifact for proof that you have written to a focus level of either proficient or distinguished. And here are the descriptions of those two. When you find the proof in your writing, you will write it over here. And it's very important that you not just repeat what it says under the warrant or rule. So you can't just say, well, my readers can easily identify the one message I want them to take away from this piece. You have to actually say what the message is using words from the paragraph. So Katie wrote, I never stray off topic. The entire essay is about what it's supposed to be about, which is my relationship with my rooster Tweety. Right from the start, everyone will know that my take-home message is the weird bond between Tweety and me. So she's included examples from her piece that prove she meets this level. And so once she decides, yeah, that's actually distinguished, then she's going to turn comments on up here. She's going to choose drawing a markup, choose the cloud, and she's going to cloud around the description that fits hers, which is distinguished. Okay, so there she's got that. Then she's going to move down to leads and look at the lead. She's going to put her lead in. My lead is my rooster Tweety, and I have a strange bond. Remember, this is a paragraph, so her lead is only one sentence. Yours could be longer if you choose an essay. It gets the reader's attention and lures them in with the promise of learning about what Tweety and I do. Notice she doesn't just say it gives a tantalizing glimpse of what is to come. She indicates that what is to come might be what she and Tweety do. It gets to the point using specifics from her paragraph along with words from this rule or warrant. So once again, she's going to cloud around the one that matches hers. And then for information, she wrote, I tell us about playing tag, and I give details about how he mocks me when I'm it. I say that I have thumbs and Tweety doesn't. Well, that's really not abundant. That's just some specific information. And notice it is specific information. She didn't just write the words, I use specific information. She told us what the specific information was by copying it from her story. So she's going to box around with the cloud box here around the one proficient, because that's where she is there. And then this is word choice in Vita, and she says, I use the strong verbs tilt and crow, and describe Tweety as thinking he's so slick. Well, after looking at these rules and descriptions, she decides that she really could use some more Vita in that, and so while it's good, it may not be complete, and so she's going to be proficient there too. Room for improvement there. Okay. So now she has written down all of the evidence. She has found the rule or warrant that it matches, and she's clouded around it. Really be careful not just to copy the words from here over to here. You have to prove by using words taken out of your paragraph, taken out of your essay, whatever you choose. Those words have to appear in the evidence as proof that you did this. That's kind of the whole point. Okay. Thank you for listening.